Let's log in to the hosting panel and launch the domain's cPanel. For the demonstration of this installation, we're using Hostinger's hPanel. We're going to set up the backend on the subdomain, so let's make one right now. This is a fully optional step. You may skip it if you wish to install on the main domain. We'll be using the subdomain demo for this. Let's wait for creation. Now we'll create a MySQL database and a database user. Let's start with the database setup wizard. The username for the database is the same as the database name. However, you can use any name for both. Make sure your database passwords are secure. Let's save this in Notepad and add the login and database name as well. Let's now set up an email account for sending activation and other sorts of emails. Choose your domain and continue. As the email name, we are using no reply. Please be sure to copy the email address we created. We need the SMTP hostname, so let's copy it. Now we need to use our domain's file management to upload from the backend. While we're at it, let's grab the FCM server key first. Go to Firebase Console, Project Settings, and Cloud Messaging. Here, we copy the server key and paste it in Notepad. Let's start by uploading the backend. Go to the subdomain directory. Because our subdomain is demo, the directory is called demo. If you make it your primary domain, go to public demo. Open the URL to see if our domain is functioning properly. The Hostinger default landing page is displayed. Remove this and any other unneeded files. When you unzip the CabZoy source code, you'll see 3 folders: apps, backend, and documentation. Open the backend folder. That folder contains backend.zip. Upload it now. After uploading, remove it. When we unzip a file, it occasionally has the 0777 permission, which is bad for our server and other files. So let's correct this by changing the directory permission to 0755 and the file permission to 0644. Close the tab now, then visit the domain URL. Your server is amazing. It's CabZoy optimized. CabZoy will provide a warning if something is unsuitable. Now press the next button. Now it's time to set up our backend. Let's fill up the form using the details we've saved in Notepad and save it. Here, the CabZoy wizard automatically configures the backend and makes adjustments based on our specifications. After a few seconds, it sent us to the log page, which displayed the installation data. Let's take a quick peek at the dashboard. Click the Go to Login page button. The default login credentials for SuperAdmin are SuperAdmin and 1234. This completes our dashboard, API, and database setup. Thank you for your time.